Right, morning ladies and gents. So normally I wouldn't bore you with this side of things. So off channel I do like playing around in CAD a little bit, but I thought I'd run this by you because this is my next project coming up in the next few days. Plenty of great videos out there of people making their own, but this is what I've come up with. So like most things on the channel, it's probably a little overkill at 100mm by 100mm square tube, but this is what I'm using. Now the mag drill on this is just a mock-up, but as you can see there's plenty of slop in there to probably take various mag drills. Now I did post an image of this on social media and somebody commented on the need for this being a lot higher than it actually was, but bear in mind, even though this is a mock-up drill, you can see the amount of travel that's still left on those gibs. So if you imagine my Evolution drill sat on there, it's going to have the 13mm chuck. And then you've got the length of your drill bits, your workpiece on top of it, of course, or a vise. That's more than close enough for me, I think. So we'll just get rid of this or make it invisible. Regarding this table piece here, this is just 200 by 200mm and it's 13mm again. And as you can see, it needs some slots putting in or some fixture holes. So the idea was to run a couple of slots either side and then cut them out with a new plasma cutter I've got. But I'm a little reluctant because if you remember my mishap when I was building the welding rotary positioner, that was down to the size of my compressor, which is 50 litres. So, you know, I'm going to chew on this part a bit. And this back plate here, again, that's 13mm thick. Right, now regarding adjustments on this, I can move it down a further 50mm. As you can see around the back, we've got those holes. And if we just look in there closely, you can see there's some weld nuts, so I'm going to be welding those nuts from the inside, and that'll be the way I'm going to fix that. So, and the two gussets here, again, they're overkill, they're 13mm thick. I might run a little 10mm thick support going across here. So the base to this, like the rest of it, it's 100mm square tube, and the overall footprint of that is 400 by 400mm, which I think is going to be plenty for a little benchtop drill. This is nice and simple. Like I say, I can drop it down 50mm. So that's your lot from me for now, and I'll see you very soon.